This time at ARTBITES, 1K subscribers, giveaway and logo redesign. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Ollie, an illustrator and graphic designer, and I post tutorials, speed paintings, and from time to time I review art supplies that are interesting for creatives. First of all, I want to thank you all because lately I hit the 1K subscriber milestone and I was so happy about that, I cannot even tell you. And as promised some time ago, I will give away a brand new XPPen Deco Pro Medium to a lucky subscriber of this channel. I will explain it at the end of the video, and if you're wondering, hey, what the heck is a Deco Pro anyway? It's a graphic tablet you can use to draw and paint on your computer. Check out the card in the upper right corner to see the video review of the Deco Pro. In this video, I show you the process of making my new YouTube logo, and I would love to hear from you what you think about it. It's done in Procreate and finalized in Photoshop. Okay, so now on to the giveaway. All you have to do is like and comment on this video what content you would like to see in the future and be a subscriber to this channel, which means that you have to put your subscriptions on public, because otherwise I cannot see that. And that's it. After a week I will randomly choose a winner with a comment picker and pin a comment here under this video who the winner is. After that, the winner has to contact me and I will ship the Deco Pro to him or her. By the way, on my Instagram account I will make a giveaway soon where you can get another goodie from XPPen, but I cannot tell which one for now, so be sure to follow me there too if you're interested in that, or in my art stuff. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm looking forward to your comments. And I wish you all the best and luck on the giveaway part. Stay safe and I see you on the next one.